Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our podcast channel.
Learning English here is easy, fun, and relaxing.
If you understand English but cannot speak,
This episode is made just for you.
today we train your brain to speak.
No stress, no fear, just simple English.
My name is Emma. Nice to meet.
My name is Alex. Happy to be.
Alex, can I ask you something?
Yes, Emma. Ask me anything now.
Do you think in English daily?
No, I translate inside my head.
That is a common English problem.
Many learners do the same thing.
Translation makes speaking very slow.
Your brain feels tired and confused.
Today, we stop translating slowly.
We start thinking simple English thoughts.
Let us begin with easy sentences.
Please listen and relax your mind.
I am sitting and listening now.
I am learning English with you.
These sentences are short and clear.
Your brain likes easy, simple language.
Hard English makes brain feel scared.
Easy English makes brain feel safe.
Emma, do you feel nervous speaking?
Yes, I feel nervous many times.
Why do you feel nervous, Emma?
I fear making mistakes speaking English.
Mistakes are part of learning.
Children learn by making mistakes.
They speak wrong, but keep speaking.
That is why children learn fast.
Now imagine your morning routine.
You wake up and open eyes.
You stand up and drink water.
You check phone and smile slightly.
Think these actions in English.
Do not translate, just imagine.
This trains your brain gently.
Emma, does this feel easier?
Yes, it feels calm and nice.
Good English should feel calm.
Now let us practice daily phrases.
These are ready English blocks.
I am busy right now.
Let me think about it.
I am not sure yet.
These sentences save brain energy.
You do not build sentences.
You just use them naturally.
Let us try a small talk.
Hi, Emma. How are you?
I am good, just a little tired.
Long day at work today?
Yes, very busy, but okay.
That is real simple English.
No grammar thinking, no stress.
Emma, what is another problem?
People wait for perfect English.
Perfect English does not exist.
Speaking imperfect English is okay.
Communication is more important.
Now let us slow down again.
Take a deep, slow breath.
Relax your face and shoulders.
English is not an exam.
It is a daily habit.
Habits change brains over time.
Let us share a daily routine.
5 minutes every single day.
Minute 1, think simple English.
Minute 2, speak simple sentences.
Minute 3, listen to easy English.
Minute 4, repeat one sentence.
Minute 5, smile and relax.
This routine trains your brain.
Emma, do you like this routine?
Yes, it feels easy and possible.
Easy habits stay longer.
Hard habits disappear quickly.
Before we finish, remember this.
Do not translate everything.
Think small, simple English thoughts.
Repeat again and again,
Your brain learns by repetition.
not by pressure or fear.
Small thoughts become strong habits.
Strong habits make speaking easy.
Let us practice together slowly.
No rush. Take your time.
I am sitting and listening.
I feel calm and focused.
I hear English sounds clearly.
My brain understands without translating.
This is how learning starts.
Slow and relaxed learning works.
Emma, do you feel comfortable?
Yes, I feel relaxed now.
Good feeling helps memory grow.
Stress blocks learning completely.
Now imagine daily life moments.
Simple moments from your day.
You wake up in morning.
You open eyes slowly.
You stand up from bed.
You walk to bathroom.
Think these actions in English.
No translation, just pictures.
Pictures help brain remember faster.
Words follow pictures naturally.
Now think about breakfast.
You make tea or coffee.
You drink and feel warm.
Simple English describes simple life.
Emma, does this feel easy?
Yes, it feels very natural.
That is the goal.
Natural English, not perfect English.
Many learners want perfect grammar.
But perfect grammar slows speaking.
Communication is more important.
Now let us slow down again.
Take a deep breath.
Relax your body fully.
Calm mind learns faster.
English is a long journey,
Small steps every day.
not big jumps once.
Daily practice beats motivation.
Motivation comes and goes.
Habits stay forever.
Let us imagine speaking confidently.
You speak without fear.
Words come out naturally.
People understand you easily.
This future is possible.
With simple daily practice.
Remember this important rule.
Do not translate in head.
Think directly in English.
Use simple, known words.
Repeat them many times.
Your brain will adapt.
Learning takes patience and kindness.
Be kind to yourself.
Mistakes mean progress.
Silence means no practice.
Speak even with mistakes.
That is how fluency grows.
Thank you for staying with us.
You are doing great today.
Listen to this podcast again.
Repetition makes learning strong.
This is Speak English Daily.
We train brains to speak.
Your brain will change slowly.
Thank you for listening today.
This is Speak English Daily Podcast.
Listen again tomorrow for practice.
Learning English can be easy.
And learning English can be fun.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone. Keep speaking English.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell.